long division with number chips. This is the holiday version. So it starts with definition of dividend, divisor, and quotient, and then it shows them on slide 3 where they go in the formula. So it gives them an example, 67 divided by 4. The 67, or that first number, is going to go in the box. The 4 will go outside the box. So the next slide is pretty simple. The students are going to be moving these number chips. They have every number that they need for the entire slide. And here they're just given practice putting the numbers in the correct place. So this is fairly simple, but it's a good reinforcement of where these numbers go. It is click and hold on the edge of each circle, and then you can move them. So they have every number they need. The next slide is instructional, so it gives them an acronym to help them remember the steps. They're going to divide first, then multiply, then subtract, and then bring down. So dad, mom, sister, brother. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. The first step is to divide. So if they have 15 divided by 4, the 15 goes in the box, the 4 outside the box, and then 4 will go into 15 3 times. There'll be some left over, but it goes 4 goes into 15 3 times, no more than that. Next slide, they're just going to be doing the first step, which is division. So they only have 3 number chips to move. Here, 5 goes into 27 5 times, with some left over. 7 goes into 69 9 times, with some left over. And 7 goes into 8 1 time. So they're going to be doing here on slide 7 the first 2 steps. They know where the numbers go, and they've had some practice moving them. So the first one is 37 divided by 5. And then they divide. 5 goes into 37 7 times. Now the second step is to multiply. So now they're going to multiply these numbers on the outside, 7 times 5, which will give them 35. The number chips give them a little bit of confidence. They know they've done it right if they've used all the numbers. So then the third step is subtract. So we're going to use the same problem, 37 divided by 5. Divide, 5 goes into 37 7 times. Multiply, 7 times 5 is 35. And then the next step would be subtract. And they already have their answer on this one. So the quotient here, 7, remainder 2. And they have several more problems to solve. They get a little bit longer as they go, and a few more number chips on each one. And it finishes with a 3-digit dividend. So that is long division with number chips, the holiday version.